Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing Bobbi Jael in the color F4/2730. This unit is a 13x4 deep lace frontal wig and it does come pre-plucked. The only thing that I've done to this unit prior to filming was spray my ebon lace tint in the color medium brown on the lace. First thing I like to do is cut the air tabs off on each side of my lace so that the wig can properly lay on my head. Now I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and I'm going to work on each section separately. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with my Ebon Firm Hold spray and I'm going to apply 2 layers of that spray. I'm blow drying the spray on a medium heat setting until it is tacky enough to lay my lace down. When it comes to laying your lace down, you want to make sure that the hairline on the unit is laid directly on top of where you applied your spray. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and then I'm going to also go in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. And I like to do this step because it really helps to get that melted lace look and to just make sure that the spray or glue is fully dried and secured. And I'll do this process for about 5 minutes. So I know on the packaging it says that the hairline comes pre-plucked, but I felt like I wanted to go back in and pluck the hairline a little bit more so that it can have that natural hairline look. Now it's time to cut our lace off. So I'm gonna go in with my scissors and cut in a zigzag motion. And I like to cut this way because it just gives the lace more of a natural look as opposed to cutting straight across and giving that lace that harsh wig line. I'm going back in with my Ebon spray and laying down all of the areas that did not fully lay down the first time. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and I'm gonna apply this directly on my lace, and this really helps to just give my lace that real natural look. And I really do like this product because it matches so well with my skin tone. After pulling the baby hairs out to my liking, I'm gonna go in and pluck the hairline again just to get that widow's peak type of look. And then I'm also gonna go in and pluck my baby hairs as well so that the baby hairs can be more on the natural thinner side. I'm using my blow dryer and my brush to flatten the foundation of my wig before even going in with a hot comb. And I do like this step because it does make a big difference when it comes to just getting my wig to be really flat and just a nice, sleek foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to really get it slicked down. And I'm not really trying to hot comb too much because I don't feel like this unit needs to be like super flat, but I do want to make sure that the back is flat. I'm using my edge flat iron to curl my baby hairs and get that curled baby hair look. To style my baby hairs, I'm going in with the Got2 Bee gel in the black tube. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. Now it's time to brush the curls out. So just like with every other synthetic wig, I like to start with the bottom and then work my way up to the top just so that I don't run into any tangles. Here's the final look of this wig, and all I have to say is Bobbi Boss Jael is really that girl. This wig is giving main character energy. Like, do y'all see what I'm seeing? Like, from the color, just look at it. Like, the color is everything. Even the curls, the way it's layered, everything about this wig is a 10 out of 10. I love how natural the lace look, and I love that it comes as a 13x4, so it gives me the opportunity to style this wig however I want to style it. Here's how the back of the unit look. It still looks very full, no gaps. The colorway still looks very nice as well. The two curl layers in the front is really what's giving this wig so much life. It's just adding so much volume to the hair. I just love it. If you want to see different ways that this wig can be styled, keep watching till the end. Thank y'all so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.